Hey everyone, welcome to Nessa's Chic's channel. If this is your first time on my channel, please hit that subscribe button down below. If you're already a loyal subscriber, welcome back. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieve this beautiful curls. These curls, guys. How to define your curls or how to revive your curls. So basically, if you have like a matted hair, matted curly hair, or like you just want to know how to revive your curls and make your curls more defined, keep watching. So I'm going to show you how to revive your curls. So I'm looking like okay, so you're gonna need silicone mix, a shampoo of your choice, and you're gonna need 2 of these brushes, the black one and the red one. They both play an important role in this curling factor, so you're gonna need them. So first you want to drench your hair with water. Make sure it's soaking wet before you put the shampoo in it first. So I'm just gonna drench my hair with water, and then you're gonna see me put the shampoo. Just put enough shampoo in your hair to make sure it lathers, just so you know that all the dirt in your hair is out, and we don't want no buildup to be left in there. So I'm gonna put enough shampoo to wash out all the dirt out of my hair. It's okay if it's still tangled and matted, but that's what the conditioner is gonna be used for. So just keep watching. Okay, so when it comes to the silicone mix part, you literally want to feed your hair with this product. Like, every strand needs to be coated with this product. Like, do not be stingy with this product. Make sure you feed the hair with this product, because this makes or breaks how your curls will end up looking when it dries. So make sure you feed the hair. Please feed the hair with silicone mix, okay? All right. Okay, so if your hair is as tangled as mine, you want to start using a wide tooth comb and start combing from the bottom and make your way up. Otherwise, you're going to end up losing a lot of hair, and we're trying to preserve as much hair as possible. So use the wide tooth comb from the ends and make your way up and detangle your hair. And when you're done, you're going to see me use my red brush and comb the hair to make sure my curls are defined. Guys, make sure you get one of these brushes, because that will make your curls, it will bring your curls together. Instead of separating to make them look like ring curls, we want them to look clumped up. So we're gonna use the red one to make sure all the curls are defined and they're big. So you see me do that, so make sure you get one of those brushes. That's how much hair I lost from combing the hair. So when you're done using the red brush to brush through your hair, do not finger comb it. Just wash the product out of your hair, and that's it. You see how I'm gliding my hands through the hair? That's all you need to do. Glide your hands through the hair. Do not run your fingers through it, or if you do that, you're gonna mess up the curl pattern. Hang it up, do something with it, make it air dry, and then when it's already completely dried, guys, your curls will be So popped. After it air dries, you're just gonna put this argan oil of Morocco, put it, it's a dime size, just a little bit, just a little bit, rub it in your fingers, rub it in, you're just gonna put it all over. Just make sure you get the ends. Make sure nothing. And this is how you define your curls.